Hi, Ms. Whitaker again with some more words of wisdom. We're going to do proportions. One of the most important things about proportions, once you read, you need to make sure you write your words before you start writing your fractions or your proportion. It says the ratio of blue flowers, I usually have my kids box the word 2, red flowers, in a vase is 1 to 3. If there were 6 red flowers, how many blue flowers would there be? Okay, I'm going to go back and look for my words. Blue flowers to red flowers. So I know I want blue to red. Now this says 1 to 3, so that means this is my blue, this is my red, because it's the same order as my words. So 1 to 3 equals, this says 6 red flowers, red is on bottom, so 6 goes on the bottom. I have my proportion set up. Now 3 times what gives me 6? I'm going to multiply by the 1s, 2 over 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2, so my answer is 2. So when it says how many blue flowers, there are 2 blue flowers. Okay, let's go do another. On a parking lot, the ratio of trucks to cars is 2 to 3. If there were 20 trucks on the parking lot, how many cars were there? Okay, again, I want to go back to my words. This time I'm not going to write my words out, I'm just going to use the first letter. Trucks to cars. 2 to 3. I know that's going to equal, this says 20 trucks. That means 20 has to go on the top. I don't know how many cars. 2 times what gives me 20? 10, and 3 times 10 gives me 30. So X equals 30, or there were 30 cars. Oops. Next one. In Jenny's aquarium, the ratio of guppies to black mollies is 5 to 2. If there were 25 guppies, how many black mollies are there? Again, I want my words. I'll go back. I have guppies to black mollies. So I'm going to put G over M, guppies, mollies. 5 to 2. How many guppies? 25. Guppies go on top. Multiply by 5 over 5. So X equals 10. Pretty easy. We'll do one more. At a bakery, the ratio of the number of pies sold to the number of cakes sold was 4 to 3. If the baker sold 20 pies, how many cakes? Okay, my words, I'm going to put pies to cakes, pies to cakes. So I have 4 pies, 3 cakes. If I have 20 pies, how many cakes? I'll multiply by 5 over 5. 4 times 5 gives me my 20. 3 times 5 gives me my 15. So my answer is 15 cakes. Okay. To another. Okay, on this one, a bush that is 5 feet tall casts a shadow of 11 feet. If the building casts a shadow of 44, then how tall is the building? Okay, I have to be careful because everything here is talking about feet. So when I get ready for my words, I need to go back and see what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a bush. It's this tall. It casts a shadow this tall. I'm talking about a building. It casts a shadow this tall, and the building is this tall. Okay, so I'm talking about how tall something is, and I'm talking about the shadow. So I'm going to put tall to shadow. Okay, I'm going to look at the bush first. The bush is 5 oop, nope, is 5 feet tall. Okay, that goes up top. He casts a shadow of 11 feet. So here's the bush. He's this tall, there's his shadow. When I look at the building that says shadow 44, the shadow's on the bottom, so 44 goes on the bottom. I know that 11 times 4 gives me 44, so x equals 20. Okay, let's do one that's not going to come out quite that easy. The ratio of hikers to bikers on the trail is 6 to 8. How many bikers would there be if there were 21 hikers? So I have hikers to bikers, on the trail is 6 to 8. I have 21 hikers, so that means 21 goes up top. There's nothing times 6 that gives me 21, so I'm going to reduce this fraction. Now I have 3/4. 3 times 7 will give me 21, and 4 times 7 gives me 28. This is how to set up and solve proportions. Hope this helps you.